Ready, Team JM.
Put the ball
and
there.
Team Savannah.
Sky.
In 1,
Sky,
2,
put the ball.
3.
Hop.
Wala pa sir. Madaling ka, Pastor. Igotong na ka, Pastor. Kami di na ni Abot, Pastor. Ready, in 1. Oh, load yan, Pastor. Ako nagkakumay MC, ako'y bayan doon. 1, 2, 3, go! On, hop, Pastor! Go, Pastor! Pastor! On! Okay, next player naman. Hop ka naman, kuya. You stay at the back. At ka sa likod.
Next.
Come on, ate, you have the cover. Go! Hop! Duga rin kayo kapot. Sige! Hop! Okay, the next player, come on! Next player! Last players will be Savannah and JM. Okay, si JM ang last ha. Asa man si JM? Raise your hand, JM! Bailo mo po yan. Bailo mo po ni JM. Si JM ang last. Okay, come on, Pastor! Pastor, come on! Naunsa naman ang kuya. Hoy, narong ka! Dakwa! Malakpan ka sa RTA din ha. Malakpan ka sa RTA. Dato, panayaw! Kaya ka dato! Atmas! Sige! Ano? Okay, last players, JM and Savannah. Come on, Pastor! Wow! We have a winner! Team Savannah! Okay, congratulations kids. Just stay on your line muna. Stay on yung line. Kaya kung kuwaon yung prizes.
Stay there.
Okay, congratulations. Congratulations to all our winners. Didaog man siya. No, congratulations, you won. You get one. Which one do you like? Yeah, you don't get one. Didaog ba niya? Kasi itong mga winners. Alright, congratulations, kids. And
Wow, it's a yo-yo.
Thank you so much. Once again, congratulations.
It's like a tornado. Come on. Get the mask.
Thank you.
I-open saya kay videohan ako.
Okay, so kung wala kayo prize, don't worry more expenses later.
Open na, open.
There are more games for you. Nakapalagyan daw ng mga
I-open daw, Doy.
Of course, a lot of prizes, exciting prizes from the birthday boy na si Adam. Okay, and again, parts of the celebration for this evening po ang ating Duhaka Entertainment, the balloon toasting show with our Kuya Clara.